winter months. And it does so with an extremely ingenious device, a refrigerator, a pool of deep, cold water like this. And over there is its builder and owner.
A beaver, one of the family that lives here in this lake at the foot of the Teton Mountains in Wyoming. While beavers can get around perfectly well on land, they're most at home in the water, where their webbed hind feet and large paddle-like tail make them powerful swimmers above and below the surface. Like marmots, beavers feed on all kinds of vegetation and eat wood as well as leaves. And they're accomplished engineers. This great pond is entirely their own creation. Only a few years ago, this shallow, pebbly stream flowed straight down the valley. Then a family of beavers moved in and built a dam. The main body of it is built of boulders. And downstream side it's been lined with logs, some of them big and quite heavy, and on this side it's been packed with mud and vegetation. It's been built so accurately that it is to within a few inches horizontal across its entire length of about 150 yards from one side to the other. And the lake it's created stretches upstream for almost a mile. So important is their dam to them that if they detect the slightest leak, usually by hearing the sound of trickling water, they start repair work immediately.